how to enable request desktop sites on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable request desktop sites on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and click these three lines in the bottom corner and then click settings, and here you will find web page view and scrolling. Click on it, and this one, the last one, request desktop sites. If you want to enable it, just click on it one click, and as you see, request desktop sites have been enabled, and that's it. That's how to enable it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.